If you watched videos numbers 1 through 5, you're ready for forming letters number 6, sunny D. For the sunny D, we're going to move right to the lined paper. Because it's a lowercase, again, we're going to work between the dotted line and the base line. Drop down to the sunspot, move up and back, circle around, close off your circle but continue up, tap the top line, trace right back down, tap the base line. Find the sunspot, go up and back, tap, circle around, tap, close off your circle but continue up, tap, trace back down, tap. D's always start with a sunny C, and that's how you can remember the shape of the letter D. Start with the sunny C, tap up, trace down, tap. Start with the sunny C, tap, circle around, tap, close it off, tap the top line, trace down, and tap the bottom line. So for a lowercase letter D, we always have the sunny C, and that's how you can tell which letter it is. When you get good at making sunny Ds, join us for forming letters number 7,